Video I will show you how to translate images. So very simple way. Firstly, open any web browser and search here translate google.com. So translate.google.com and here select images. Now select your image JPG, JPEG or PNG format. Like I have this image in French. If you click here, so you can see that it's original and this is the translated image. So in just one click you can translate your picture. Spanish, Arabic, and you can translate in any language. Also guys, you can copy this text. Just click here and paste anywhere. You can download this image with translation. So click here. Like this. So thanks for watching. Comment on this method work for you or not.